Okay, everybody, Colby is now going to show you how he uses his hockey stick. Go ahead, Colby, give it a good whack. Good job. Good. Hold on, let me get that one closer to you. Oops. Sorry, people. Nice. Here's another ball. Colby. Colby. Hey, Colby. Look, there's another bally. Look at that handling of the stick. Look at that. Nice job. Can you say, yay? Yay!